Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I am on the construction site and I will show you a big mistake in RCC column, that is about bent up bar near its support. Guys, you can see this is RCC top beam and here are total you can see guys 9 numbers of steel bars used here in this top beam, but here you can't see these 2 extra bars. You can see this is specially used for the bent up bar, but here guys you cannot see any bent up bar near its support. Here guys, look at this, there isn't any bent up bar near its support with the distance of L/4. So with L/4 distance we should provide bent up bar near its support, okay, to resist shear stresses. Okay, you can see it increase the strength of structure, bent up bar, and the angle should be 45 to 60 degree, but guys you cannot see any bent up bar. So this is near its support. Here are 4 numbers at the bottom, 1 2 3 4, which dia is 20 millimeter, and these bars you can see these 2 bars which dia is 16 millimeter, and top bars there are 3 numbers which also its dia is also 16 millimeter. Now guys, come to its stirrups. You can see the spacing of stirrup is more than 12 inches also. So this is a big mistake, especially in plinth beam. That's why, because near its support the spacing of stirrup should be closely with the distance of L/4, same like bent up bar. Okay, so they should provide, if they want to fix this error, this mistake, so they should use other stirrup here in this point, also here in this point, also in this point. They should use the extra stirrups between this space. Okay, so with the distance of L/4, so to the mid, so if they increase the distance, so doesn't matter, but it should not be more than 12 inches. Keep in your mind this point. So in this beam there are 2 big mistakes. One is bent up bar, the second one is spacing of stirrups, which is not provided correctly, and the dia of the stirrup is 8 millimeter. So this is okay, this is best, and they used about 9 numbers of steel bars here in this top beam, but it cannot support the structure load. That's why, because there isn't any bent up bar to resist shear stresses and to avoid the cracks in structure. So you can see here, look at here, you can't see any bent up bar, and spacing of stirrups you can see this is same, but near its support it should be closely. Now you can see guys, there isn't any bent up bar. Okay, so guys, this is a mistake, so you should avoid these mistakes in construction, so otherwise you will face more problems. So guys, this is a short video to discuss about this these 2 mistakes. So if you have any questions, so you can comment about this top beam and I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching, see you in next video. Goodbye.